Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class, Excel 4.2, 3-4 sums completed. Now see problem number 5, write down problem number 5. Copy problem number 5 first, question and along with the diagram. What is problem number 5? In the given figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Okay na? So read the problem 2 or 3 times, draw the diagram, observe the diagram. So observation plays an important role. Observe the diagram clearly. Two angles are marked in the diagram and there is a triangle and there is a straight line. PQR is a triangle. Okay na? ST is a straight line. Two angles are marked in the diagram. They are equal. Then prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So what is given? Okay now, what is given? Given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. This is the first point given. Two angles are equal and they are marked in the diagram. Angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that what to prove? We have to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So what is given? Angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. They are marked in the diagram. What to prove? Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So we need to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Okay na? Now observe the diagram. What is your observation about the diagram? Okay na? See the diagram. Straight line is there. PQR is a triangle. See everything. At Q, there is a formation of two angles. Two angles are there at Q. What are the two angles? Angle PQR, angle PQS. Angle PQR, see the diagram. Diagram plays an important role. Okay now, we write every step from the diagram only. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180. What is the reason? They are adjacent angles. So, linear pair. Linear pair. Why it is linear pair? Because they are adjacent angles. Okay na? So, from the diagram, okay na? Angle, first angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180. Write the reason. Linear pair. Equation 1. Okay na? What is the first equation? Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180. Why it is 180? Linear pair. Now at R also. See the diagram. At R also there are two angles. Number 1 angle PRQ. Number 2 angle PRT. Two angles are there. Again from the diagram, angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180. Same reason. Linear pair. Equation 2. First equation, angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair. Equation 1. Second equation, angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair. Equation 2. From 1 and 2. What is equation 1? 180. What is equation 2? 180. So both are equal. So from 1 and 2, angle PQR plus angle PQS angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay na? So from one end to angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Then what are the angles cancel? Angle PQR, angle PRQ, both are equal. So they are cancelled. Automatically both the angles cancel. You know the reason also, because both are equal. Angle PQR, angle PRQ equal. So both the angles cancel. Therefore what we get? Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Therefore angle PQS equal to angle PRT. See the problem again. What is given? Given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. What to prove? We have to prove that angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Then from the diagram, angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair, equation 1. Similarly at R also, at point R, angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair, second equation. What is equation 1? 180. What is equation 2? 180. So both are equal. From one end to angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. What are the angles cancel? Angle PQR, angle PRQ cancel. So what we get? Angle PQS equal to angle PRQ. Copy once. Write down problem number 6. What is problem number 6? That is a diagram. So see problem number 6. This is point C. What is problem number 6? In the given figure, if x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a straight line. Observe the diagram clearly. AOB, AB is a straight line, AB is a straight line, okay na? And OC is a ray, then down also one more ray is there, and all meet at one point. That point is O. Totally 4 angles are there in the diagram. What are the angles? X marked with single line, Y marked with double line, Z marked with triple line, W marked with 4 lines. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. Okay na? AOB is a straight line. Okay na? Angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So it is enough to prove that angle on a straight line is 180. Automatically it becomes AOB is a straight line. AB is a straight line. Okay na? There is a point O exactly at the center. Observe the point clearly. 4 angles are there in the diagram. AB is a straight line. 2 rays are visible to you. One straight line is visible to you. 4 angles are visible to you. X, Y, Z, W. And there is a point O in the diagram. What we have to prove? AB is a straight line. Okay na? Means angle is 180 degrees. Okay na? See the diagram and write the problem first. In the given figure, x plus y equal to w plus z. X, y, w, z. They are the 4 angles in the diagram. Okay na? And all are formed at O. And then prove that AOB is a straight line. So write what is given. Given. What is given? X comma, y comma, z comma, w are 4 different angles. Different angles formed at O. X, Y, Z, W are formed, are 4 angles formed at O. And x plus y equal to w plus z. This is the information given. We have to prove that AB is a straight line. Okay na? Means it is enough to prove that angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Okay na? Now see the four angles at O. First angle X, second angle Y, third angle Z, fourth angle W. Okay na? There is full circle at O. Okay na? See the diagram. There is full circle at O. Means total angle is 360 degrees. Complete angle. Okay na? See the diagram clearly. At O there is full circle. Means complete angle. From the diagram, x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 complete angle. Okay na? From the diagram, x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 complete angle. Now see this z plus w is replaced by x plus y, or x plus y is replaced by z plus w. We can do anything. Okay na? X plus y, here I am replacing z plus w with x plus y. Again x plus y equal to 360. Or we can replace x plus y with z plus w also, no problem. There is z plus w. I am replacing z plus w with x plus y. Add. How many x's are there? 2 x's. How many y's are there? 2 y's. Equal to 360. 2x plus 2y equal to 360. Okay na? So x comma y comma z comma w are four different angles formed at O. X plus y and w plus z both are equal. From the diagram, x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360. Reason complete angle. Okay na? Now I am replacing z plus w with x plus y. X plus y plus x plus y equal to 360. How many x's are there? 2 x's are there. Plus how many y's are there? 2 y's are there. Equal to 360. Then what to do now? What is the next step? Let us take 2 common. 2 common. X plus y equal to 360. 2 common. X plus y equal to 360. X plus y equal to 2 is moving to right side. 360 by 2. What is x plus y value? 360 by 2. Okay na? So x plus y equal to how many times cancel? 180. 180. Where is x? Where is y? X and y are the angles lie on the same line. Okay na? What we get? Sum of two angles 180 means angle on a line is 180 means it is a straight line. 180 represents straight line. Okay na? Therefore AOB is a straight line. Remember 180 means it is a straight line. Therefore AOB is a straight line. So 2 common, x plus y equal to 360. 2 is moving to right side. X plus y equal to 360 by 2. X plus y equal to 180. 180 means it is a straight line. Therefore AOB is a straight line. Write down.